While most people may not know what isotopes are, they play an increasingly important role in many different fields, from medicine to engineering. Many emerging global trends, such as advanced healthcare, quantum computing, new small, safe nuclear reactors, and green nuclear fusion involving hydrogen, will only be enabled by new isotope production. While demand is soaring, recent geopolitical events and aging production capacity are creating significant challenges within the global isotope supply chain. Currently, there are either few or no current suppliers for many of the highly specialized isotopes in demand. ASP Isotopes, which IPO'd on the NASDAQ in late 2022, is tackling these challenges through the commercialization of next-generation enrichment technology. Developed over the last 20 years, this proprietary technology allows ASPI to construct enrichment facilities at a fraction of the cost and time of traditional isotope separation facilities. This unique competitive advantage will enable ASPI to deliver a reliable, cost-effective, and thanks to its location in South Africa, politically acceptable supply of isotopes to the market. ASPI is on track to bring its first 2 isotope plants online in 2023 and has already begun the commissioning process at its first facility. As ASPI enters commercial production this year, it is expected these facilities will drive considerable free cash flow generation. A North American company already signed a memorandum of understanding for the entire offtake of carbon-14 from ASPI's first facility, which is expected to be capable of supplying the entire world's demand for carbon-14 once fully operational. The company's second facility, a substantially larger operation, initially focused on producing commercial quantities of highly enriched molybdenum 100, is also expected to enter the commissioning and production phase in 2023. And the Beijing Research Institute of Chemical Engineering Metallurgy signed a 25-year supply agreement with ASPI last year for up to $27 million of molybdenum 100 annually from this facility. As recent geopolitical events force many governments and companies to reassess their isotope supply chains, ASP Isotopes is well positioned to become a major player in the global market, providing significant potential rewards for its early investors. Learn more at aspiinfo.com or call 1-800-RED-CHIP.